Welcome to Exam Sale. This voice guide walks you through the Salesforce Field Service Lightning Consultant syllabus and what you must master to pass the exam. This exam tests 7 domains with exact weights. Managing scheduling and optimization 24%, managing work orders 23%, managing service appointments 19%, managing resources 16%, managing inventory 8%, managing assets 5%, and field service mobile 5%. You will learn practical configuration, scenario-based optimization, and hands-on skills aligned to these weights and the expected learning hours. I will summarize each domain, its difficulty, assessment type, and the core topics you need to focus on. Managing scheduling and optimization is 24% of the exam, rated hard, and estimated at 25 hours with scenario-based assessment. You will learn to configure scheduling policies and service goals, set work rules for resource availability, and apply match fields and required service aim rules while understanding weighted versus Boolean goals and emergency or global policies. You will also master the optimization engine by configuring global and in-day optimization, setting up resource overtime and gap management, understanding optimization request statuses and logs, and using appointment booking and get candidates to produce efficient schedules. Managing work orders accounts for 23%, is medium difficulty, and needs about 18 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessment. Candidates will learn the full work order life cycle, including creating and managing work orders and work order line items, configuring work types to standardize processes, and defining skills and required products for assignments. You will also apply entitlements by configuring service contracts and contract line items, manage milestone tracking, understand SLA impacts on scheduling, and implement preventative maintenance through automated work order generation. Managing service appointments covers 19%, is medium difficulty, and requires about 15 hours with scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches you to orchestrate the service appointment life cycle, define status categories, configure status transitions and pinned appointments, and manage arrival windows plus scheduled start and end times. You will also use parent record logic to create appointments and understand how service appointments relate to work orders to ensure accurate scheduling and status tracking. Managing resources is 16% of the exam, medium difficulty, and estimated at 12 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will configure service resources and resource capacities, define service territories and hierarchies, assign territory members and operating hours, and set resource skills and skill levels to match work requirements. The domain also covers managing resource absences and non-availability so you can model realistic schedules and maintain service level commitments. Managing inventory is 8%, medium difficulty, and takes about 10 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will learn to track product items and locations, manage product transfers and shipments, and configure product requests and required products tied to work order line items. The domain also includes processing product consumption during service, handling return orders and RMAs, and ensuring accurate inventory levels that support field operations. Managing assets is 5%, easy difficulty, and estimated at 6 hours with conceptual and scenario-based assessment. Candidates will configure asset hierarchies and relationships, define maintenance plans and work rules, and generate work orders from maintenance plans to support preventive maintenance. You will also track asset history, monitor warranty status, and link assets to work orders and service appointments for full life cycle visibility. Field service mobile comprises 5%, is medium difficulty, and requires about 8 hours with hands-on and conceptual assessment. You will configure the mobile app including branding, manage mobile app extensions and flows, and understand offline priming and the briefcase builder to support disconnected technicians. The domain also covers push notifications, geolocation tracking, service reports, and digital signatures so mobile users can complete service efficiently and record outcomes accurately. That wraps up the syllabus overview for the Salesforce Field Service Lightning Consultant exam. Study each domain in proportion to its weight, practice the scenario-based tasks, and focus on the configuration and optimization skills described to maximize your score.